Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to heal in Project Zomboid. First, understand that Project Zomboid doesn't automatically heal your health like many games. You must treat injuries manually before your HP will start to recover. Wounds like scratches, lacerations, and deep wounds all behave differently and need specific treatment. To begin healing, go to a safe spot inside your safe house where zombies won't interrupt you. Press H or click the heart icon to open the health panel. This shows all current injuries and their severity. If you have bleeding wounds like scratches or lacerations, you must stop the bleeding with a bandage. Right-click the wound in the health panel and select Bandage with a bandage, adhesive bandage, or ripped sheet. This will stop the bleeding immediately. Dirty bandages will stop bleeding, but clean or sterilized bandages reduce infection risk. You can disinfect wounds before bandaging if you have a bottle of disinfectant, alcohol wipes, or boiled water. Disinfecting lowers the chance of infection and aids healing. For deep wounds or severe injuries, you'll often need special items like a suture needle or needle and thread to stitch the wound before it can heal properly. Fractures and broken bones require a splint first and then can be bandaged to heal faster. Details on how to create splints and do stitching are explained on separate videos in the channel. Once you've bandaged and treated your wounds, your character's HP will start to regenerate slowly over time if there are no remaining untreated injuries. Being well fed, rested, and hydrated also helps your character recover faster overall. And that's how you heal in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.